Hey guys, and today I am back with another recipe video. I will be making a peppermint latte, or mint latte if you like. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Jacqueline and my channel is all about coffee, from coffee reviews to coffee recipes. So I thought I'd do a peppermint latte, and here are the timestamps. Let's get into it. Now, peppermint is such a distinct flavor and mint in general is really strong, and I mean, I don't love the combination a lot. Like, I don't love mint in anything mostly, but I actually made a peppermint mocha on my Instagram and I really enjoyed it. I was pleasantly surprised. It kind of reminded me of a mint wrapped in chocolate, or one of those like aero bars. I'm not sure if you've ever seen them. If you're from America, you probably haven't. It's this one right here. This bad boy. So it tastes kind of like that, the peppermint mocha that I made, but I wanted to make a mint latte instead and use whatever ingredients I have around the house. I have a few things actually. I also have a peppermint essence. I have mint leaves, so I'm gonna probably combine those two to make the peppermint flavoring. I know mint is quite a distinct taste and peppermint is different also, but I feel like the two combined are great, and I couldn't find any peppermint leaves at my local grocery store. I'm sure you might be able to, but I couldn't, so I chose mint instead. But I've also seen variations of just mint, and I thought, why not? I'll just grab that for now. And I mean, peppermint is a very Christmassy flavor, so you can definitely use it all throughout Christmas to make peppermint drinks and whatnot. Cold variations, hot variations. I will be making cold today, but I will also give you how to make it hot. And of course, if you want to see my peppermint mocha, you can also head to my Instagram and see that one there, which is just an added chocolate version. But yeah, like I said, I'm not gonna lie, I don't love mint flavored most things. I will drink it on the rare occasion, and I will eat chocolate mints depending on what kind it is. Like the Aero one, perfect, love them, but anything else, mint ice cream, like I'm not a fan. But I really wanted to try this recipe and see if I can change my mind. What you'll actually need to make this drink is some peppermint leaves or mint leaves. I will be using mint. You need some ice, or if you're making the hot version, don't worry about that part and just go straight for milk. Coffee, your best option is espresso, or if you have a strong brewed coffee, then use that. You can also use instant coffee if you don't have any brewing methods at home, that's completely fine. And then you can grab some whipped cream, or if you prefer to have it without, that's fine too. Maybe some chocolate to garnish, or some peppermint leaves or mint leaves left over to garnish. So the first thing you'll want to do is take your leaves and muddle them at the bottom of the glass, just with a little tamper thing if you have one, or you can always use a spoon and kind of swirl it and bruise the leaves against the inside of the glass. And if you have a peppermint extract, you can add a dash of that also if you like. I will be adding a bit of peppermint to my latte just because I want to taste how it tastes with the peppermint, but I will also add the mint leaves at the bottom. But if you are using peppermint essence, please be careful not to add too much, because I have done this before and it was just way too much. I think like even just a tiny drop is enough of peppermint essence to cover a whole drink. Usually peppermint essence is actually used in baking, so that's why it's so concentrated. And if you don't have any essence, you can actually make your own at home with an easy recipe. I'll link one down below for you guys. But like I said, be wary of how much you put, and you can always add a little bit, and then later on, if it's not strong enough, when you try it, then you can always add more. So then I will add the ice to my glass and top it up with some milk and the espresso. After that, I can add on some whipped cream and add some garnishes of whatever I like. If you're making this drink hot, what you can do is froth your milk, prepare the leaves or the essence inside the glass, and simply pour over. Add your coffee on top, and then add the whipped cream. So it's really simple to go between the two. It's not much difference except for having cold milk and hot milk. And from there, you have a wonderful peppermint latte to drink on a lovely cool day or a lovely warm day. And of course, you don't have to end the recipe there. You can add chocolate powder to make it a mocha. You can do a range of things for this recipe to heighten it. You can always add some caramel, make a caramel peppermint mocha, or whatever you like. So it's a really awesome recipe to play around with and try out some different flavors. Okay guys, and that is how to make it. Let me give you a taste test. As you can see, there's still the leaves inside. As I said, you can add whipped cream on top. Here's a little leafy guy for you. But I put both mint and the extract inside this drink, so it should be quite pepperminty. I put about 2 or 3 drops just because it's a large glass. I guess we'll see also if the mint shows up as well, as I muddled the leaves at the bottom. Let's give it a try. Wow. Yeah, the mint is definitely showing up more than the peppermint extract, just because I went a little bit light, because last time I made the mistake of going a bit too heavy. But yeah, the mint leaf is definitely showing up with every sip that I take. So I imagine it would happen the same with the peppermint leaf. And this is really delicious. This is quite refreshing. It basically tastes like when you take a breath of fresh air after chewing peppermint gum. I don't know how else to say it, but that's basically how it tastes. Because I know that when I take a bite of peppermint gum and I'm just chewing, and then like I take a deep breath, I can feel the coolness. That's kind of the same coolness effect that you have from peppermint or mint. And yeah, it's definitely evident in this drink with each sip that you take. I get that cool rush. Man, that isn't bad. I actually don't mind that. I think because of the little amount of peppermint extract that I used, it's definitely a lot easier for me to digest this, because I'm not the hugest fan of peppermint, but I actually really don't mind this. And I think that the mint goes really well with it too. I definitely would recommend this for any peppermint mint lovers. Definitely have this, it's great. And obviously you can put more or less peppermint extract depending on your flavor taste and go wild with it, you know. And like I said, add some whipped cream, add some shavings of some sort on top, add some peppermint leaf. I just did it like this simply because I wanted it to just be plain. I'm not a big cream fan, but when I have it, it's rare. Yeah, I actually really don't mind it. I might actually finish this. Happy place. But that is all for this video, guys. Please let me know down below if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment about if you want to see me make a different recipe, or if there's something else that you'd like to see me try. And please let me know if you've actually tried this drink from Starbucks or at a different cafe, or perhaps you've made it at home yourself, and did you enjoy it? Are you a mint fan, or do you absolutely detest it? I'd love to hear from you guys, and please tag me on Instagram if you end up making this. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Stay coffeetized. Video done.